What's going on, guys? Chanel Stevens here. I'm back again with another video, and in this video you can see I'm on vacation again. I know in my last video where I showed I made $27,000 on vacation. I was in Miami. Right now I'm just in Orlando right now at a vacation home or whatever. It's pretty nice. I'll probably give you guys a tour or something in another video, but in this video I just wanted to go over how to become a successful CPA affiliate marketer, because a lot of people, they see me online making a ton of money, living my dream lifestyle, and you probably want to know, like, how can I do this for myself? How can I become a successful CPA marketer? Because it's enough to just sitting there watching somebody else be successful and just talk about it. What do you need to do to make this a reality for yourself? So I'm gonna just break that down in this video. So just watch this whole entire video and you'll have the keys. Basically, I'm gonna just break down what makes me different and why I feel like I'm different from other affiliates, and like what really determines my success. But the real key is making sure that you run consistent scalable traffic. Now the key is consistent. The thing with a lot of CPA marketers is when offers go down or get taken away, or when ad accounts go down, or anything happens to their campaigns or their business, they take breaks and they take time off. And that's just things I don't do. When my offer goes down, I'm not running any traffic. I'm gonna get it back up ASAP. I'm not gonna sit here and wait around, because offer can get took down immediately. So if your campaign is only down because of an ad account or because of some compliance issues with the traffic network and stuff, you need to go in there. You need to fix the issues. You may need to come up with new creatives. You may need to do a number of things for your campaign to get it back working, and that's what you have to be dedicated to if you want to be successful. What's really going to hinder your success is that consistency. I can just tell you a story about one of my students where he was able to start running traffic to an offer. He was sending about 100 to 200 clicks per day to an offer, and he was able to generate about $1,500, $2,000. He was at the mark where I was going to help him get to that 10K month. And what happened was he started focusing on another offer when he should have just been focusing on that one offer, growing that, getting that up. But he started running another offer in the same ad account or whatever. I guess the compliance team didn't like the offer that he put up or whatever, and they banned the whole ad account. So he went from making $2,000 a month to making $0 a month, right? A successful affiliate, what they would do is set the offer back up on a new ad account. They'll get an ad account and they'll set it back up, and they'll get the traffic going. They'll have all their targeting back set up, the creatives back up. They'll just have everything running again, testing how they need to test, or whatever they need to do to get it back to where it was at, and even grow. The reason I believe he's not successful to this day, even as a student, he's not successful because he wasn't consistent. He started stalling on the coaching call, saying, hey, can we push the coaching call back? And he just never got it set up again. And he was able to get more ad accounts and had ad accounts. He just never found time. And what happened was the offer got pulled. So he went from making $2,000 to, when he finally wanted to set it back up, the offer was just gone, and he had to start all over from scratch. And by that time, he just was ready to give up, because he was going to have to do the whole process over again. And he was acting like it was so stressful, and it was just like the beginning stages. And in my eyes, he had a potential to make over $10,000 a month, in my opinion, by the way the data was looking and everything like that. And I was going to help him scale and stuff like that, but it's just things like that that really separate affiliates. Like, he just gave up on a campaign because of some compliance issues, when he should have just set it back up, and within 2 weeks he would have been back up and running, generating income every single day. But he got lazy and slacked off and really thought making $2,000 was something, when $2,000 is supposed to be like your daily income, not for a month or 30 days or something like that. So it's just crazy how people underestimate how much success they can actually have. And you just have to be consistent. You have to send that consistent traffic no matter what happens. Set it back up, because that's how I am. I've had ad accounts banned. I have stuff happen. I have had offers pulled. I had to switch offers, things like that. Had to switch creatives, get new creatives made. And it's okay. It's not the end of the world. It's worse stuff going on in the world than, oh, I have to get a new ad account, or I have to make new creatives. That shouldn't hold you back from generating online income. Now, I know what CPA marketing can provide for me, so I'm quick to just set something back up and just start taking action again, because this is the perks of it. I get to live life like this, whereas some people, they may not have had that taste of the lifestyle, or the taste of 10K a week, 20K a week or anything like that, so they don't know, so they hesitant on, you know, putting that effort into it. But that's what makes me successful and people unsuccessful. So that's like really the major key. You have to have consistency with your campaigns and in this business, because what's going to happen is things are going to happen, and that's CPA marketing, where offers do go down and stuff like that, and you got to change shit up. And if you're not willing to do that, if you're not willing to make the sacrifice and spend a couple more weeks just sitting in the house, focus on your campaigns so that you can live the lifestyle of your dreams, then to me, you don't deserve it. And that's just my honest, humble opinion, because I know I deserve everything that I got because I actually worked for it. I actually put in time and effort into getting this. So what I want to really stress to you guys is, don't just send traffic until something goes wrong and then all of a sudden you're stopping and you're going 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks without running traffic to any offers or testing anything. 2-3 weeks is all it takes to really find a new good offer that's going to generate you some income. So just take the time out, stay in the house, don't go partying, don't go get drunk. Sometimes I have to sacrifice fun, you know, and I'm a successful affiliate, and I still sometimes have to sacrifice my fun to get stuff back up and running, to get stuff you know, on the level that I'm used to and comfortable with. And I'm still not comfortable because you also have to have big goals. A lot of you guys, you have a small vision, and that's what's really holding you back, because you make a couple $1,000s and you think that's lit, when really you have the potential to make millions. You know, my number one goal is to make $1 million a month, right? So to get to $1 million a month, I have to have really like just a stoic like mindset, like where nothing really bothers me. I don't have no emotions when it comes to this. It's all about my money. It's all about my future. I got family to take care of. I got things to do. You know, what's your why? This ain't MLM or anything like that. But with any business, anything that you do when you want to become successful, you have to have a why. You have to have a reason why you want to be successful, a reason why you're doing it. And you need goals. You need income goals. And don't stop setting these small income goals. Like, I just want to make $1,000. I just want to make $1,500. Because if you aim at that and you missing, and it's not nothing. You missing $1,000 and you only making $100. Or you missing $2,000 and you only making $500. You know, small goals. Set big goals. $10,000 you miss, you still make $2,000, $3,000, right? Or you got a goal of, I want to make $100,000, you make $40,000, $50,000. Okay, you halfway there, but you know, just set bigger goals, and you get where I'm going with this. So, you know, I can make 6 figures in a month because my goal is 7 figures in a month. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not at my goal yet, and I'm not where I want to be, but I'm headed there, you know, because I'm going to keep aiming high, and I'm going to keep working hard and keep grinding, and that's what makes me successful. And the reason you see people out there is not being successful with this is they're not trying hard enough, they're not going hard enough. Because if you go hard enough, you're going to get out of it what you put in. And that's real talk, right? So I'm just on vacation. I'm about to just really enjoy the rest of my day. I'm just taking up the pool right now, recording this stuff. So let me go ahead and end this video, guys. If you want to add to what else you think makes CPA affiliate marketers successful, add it in the comments. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, you know, all that good stuff, guys. And I'll be back with some more value or something soon. All right, so I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.